look what we got here today. I have got some nicely clean, washed, and cut up tilapia fish. This is the kind of fish that I ate a lot. As a young girl growing up, it was very common eating fish. We normally, especially if you go to the beach, they normally give you fried fish with fries or with some type of salad, coleslaw, or tomatoes and onions. That is the most common kind of salad you have it with. These days, I cook a lot of wild Pacific salmon. I love it so much. But of course, periodically, I will go back to tilapia because I will forever love this kind of fish. So these fish are nicely cleaned. I washed them, so I had to pat them dry. That way I can be able to marinate and all these spices get into the fish. And as you can see, I have 3 different kind of spices. I got my ground garlic powder, mixed spices, and fish spice. And I'm giving these spices a mix. That way, everything is all put together. And of course, next thing is marinate the fish. There is a saying that what you do to the left, you gotta do it to the right, or vice versa. So I have to flip my fish and make sure that I marinate the other side as well. It's not easy to marinate the inside part of fish, but guess what? I gotta try. So I have to sprinkle a bit of some spices in there as well. I find that fish doesn't need a lot of time for the marinade to get in the flesh and get nicely infused. So guess what? I'm just gonna sit this fish on the counter here, covered with this cling wrap, and give it about 10-15 minutes and this fish should be ready. And here we go. This fish looks nicely marinated, as you can see. You know what? I figured that I needed a wider space, especially for the next step. So I'm moving this fish on a flat tray. That way my life will be much easier. So what I do normally, and this is not important really, you can go ahead and fry your fish at this point, but I love sprinkling a bit of plain flour on my fish. I find that this helps the fish to be nice and kind of dry, but not super dry when I deep fry it, because I really don't like soggy deep fried fish with a lot of oil in it. So this process helps to eliminate that. And of course, what you do to the left, you got to do it on the right. And I'm flipping this fish and do the same thing. Just, sprinkle some flour on it and I'll let it sit, not for so long, but for as long as I see that this powder flour has kind of settled on the fish, and then I'll go ahead and fry it. After a couple minutes, this fish looks ready for frying. You don't want it to sit here for a long time. And I got my oil nicely ready, so let's go ahead and fry the fish. And just like that, this fish is ready for eating. I enjoyed preparing this fish. It reminds me my childhood when we used to have fish almost every week. Yeah, so tilapia is the kind of fish that I loved eating as a young girl. And I prepared some coleslaw here today, and that goes so well with the fish. And if you can, always have some lemon or lime. There is something about this citrus taste on fried fish. It just amplifies the taste. That's what I had, coleslaw with some lime on the fish. Let me know in the comment section below, how do you normally have fried fish in your house? For me, we can have it plain like this with just a salad, or as a substitute with other dishes in the house, or with potato chips, cassava chips, and anything of that nature. Thank you for watching my video today.